decisions are being made by women. It's important to have women. They're very good managers and good at consensus building because we've grown up being at the bottom of the heap, and it's a well acknowledged animal behavior that you learn to be sensitive to others' pleasure and displeasure if you're not at the top growing up. So we become sensitive at consensus building and understanding, becoming sensitive to people. So it's something we bring to the table. What can flow do? From what have we learned? What can flow do? Sharing experiences breaks barriers. So flow has a role in making sure that experiences are shared. Second is that women do need extra help given the ecosystem. Flow should work to make sure that they do get a boost up in various sections. And individually, it is important to share our stories with our children. So at least for the next generation, people face fewer problems. Now, I would like to thank Naina ji for always being there for us and being very much part of a FICCI family. And we would very much like, Flow would like to be strongly associated with your inclusive governance policy making. We already have, yes, we have, the president is an ex-officio member, and we hope to do great wonders for inclusive governance. I would like to thank Dipali, Flow member, for sharing our experiences that all of us can relate to, because a lot of us have come from family businesses, stepping into family businesses. It's a slightly different perspective, and a lot of us identify very strongly with the kind of issues you have faced. I'd like to thank Manisha for being very honest and acknowledging the existence of these problems that all of us face. A lot of people, many talks I've gone to, people pretend there are no problems at home and I can handle everything. That's not true. So that is something, it's very important for people to know that yes, those problems do exist for everybody, and if they can do it, we can also do it. So that is something we take. I'd like to thank Sonia for so ably conducting this program and eliciting the very good suggestions from our panelists. I would like to thank our ongoing sponsors, Palatia, Overnight Express and Unitech. I'd like to thank our vice presidents for always being there and encouraging us. I would like to thank President Neeta Bhutra for getting together such a distinguished panel and really creating a learning experience for us. I'd like to thank Manju Kalra Prakash and the Flow Secretariat for their tireless and perfect efforts, Dr. Kusumansal for hosting the lunch, and the audience for participating so enthusiastically. Please join us for lunch.
Last week she was chatting up with me, trying to decide which company. So I think she should have taken back. I don't really.
Thank you.